Bacon baked. Grab 3 packs of bacon, it can't be beat. Put it on a parchment lined cookie sheet. Bake in oven on 365 till crispy brown. It will take 1 hour grease to be dripping down. Check it and flip it over time and put back in the oven 30 minutes at a time. It won't splatter or pop and get you greasy. This way of baking is so easy. If you like it crispy and crunchy, leave it in a little longer. It is so good to eat. Munchy, munchy, munchy. Take out of the oven easy, don't hurt your back. To drain the grease, put bacon on a cooling rack. Let the bacon cool for a bit. If you make this recipe, it will be guaranteed to be a hit. Crispy, crispy bacon, it is so fine. Doing in the oven will blow your mind. Got to have bacon.